and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter Gay and you're watching Peter Gay's Passion. So in this episode of my kitchen renovations, I will be remodeling this door that you see behind me. I took this door off of my brother's closet when I redid his closet, so if you haven't seen that video, go watch it because that's where this came from. I will be transforming them with the wood that you see here. I already have it cut to size. So let's just get started with the video. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, but this is where the door will be going. It's going on my pantry, and I did build this pantry. So again, this is another video that's, if it's not up on my channel, it will be up soon. Depends on which goes up first, the door one or the pantry video. So just look out for it either way. But it will be going right here. Right here, I'm just using my nail gun to attach my wood to the door because that's all I had at home to use. But if you have something different like PL glue or any other adhesive, you can use that instead. And don't forget to do both sides of your door. Since I used my nail gun, I had to cover over all my holes with a wood putty, so that's what I did. I waited for it to dry, and now I'm just sanding it along with sanding the whole entire thing. Right here, I'm just wiping off the excess dust, and then I'm going to move into priming and then painting. So that is it, guys. I am totally finished with my door, and right now I'm just attaching it to where it's going to go, which is my pantry. And then yeah, this pantry, I actually built this, so if you'd like to check that out, it's up at my channel. There it is. And I did install this thing up here, so once the door closes, it latches into here and stays closed. So, see? Just like that. But overall, it's looking really good. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be on the lookout for all of my other renovations that I did in my kitchen. So, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.